FOS Swing and day trading. After hours market is open. It's 6 p.m., just after 6 p.m. As you can see, this is the NASDAQ 1 minute chart, and at 6 p.m. we opened higher, moved higher right off the bat, and then now we're pulling back again, kind of going back to where we started. We're hitting on the 20-day SMA right there, and looks like we're headed towards the 50. Hopefully we'll stay above. Today was interesting. We opened higher, as the futures indicated. However, the entire day felt like a down day to me. We trended down. Let me go to the 15-minute chart, and you can see that we trended down throughout the day and then really got hammered towards the middle of the day, and then at the end of the day we stayed kind of at the lows. It's a little different in that it wasn't another up and away day. Maybe the market pulls back, and this is not unexpected, but it's so hard to predict. I mean, yesterday I was wrong. I thought the market was going to continue to go higher, and it pulled back. And I of course, got suckered in. I bought a contract during the pre-market, or last night during the after-hours trading, and probably wasn't a well-timed purchase, but it was only one micro emini NASDAQ contract. As we pulled back, I did what I had stated that I would do. As you can see, when we touched this is the micro emini Dow 15-minute chart, and you can see that we touched the 200. The red line is the 200-day SMA. And when we touched it, I missed it the first time. We touched it, went back up. Then the second time we touched it, I went ahead and purchased another contract. So now I have two contracts in the Dow Micro E-mini S&P. Dow Micro E-mini futures. So 2 contracts in the Dow. I picked up another contract in the Russell 2000. So now I have 2 contracts in the Russell 2000. Now keep in mind, all of these were in the green. All of these were positive. Last night they're up quite a bit, so I've taken quite a hit today. That's in the red. That's just barely in the red. I still only have one S&P 500 micro E-mini future contract. And that one's actually still in the green. I'm up $195 on that one. I've had that one for a while. And I really beefed up my holdings in the NASDAQ micro E-mini futures. Of course, that's the one that's tanking the most. So I actually purchased one during the after-hours trading last night, and then I purchased 2 more contracts during the trading day today. You can see the contracts that I purchased on the 15-minute chart. They were pretty close together. I was thinking we'd get a bounce at some point during the trading day. Never happened. In fact, it was like I made those 2 purchases close together. And the second one, we only spiked higher than where my purchase price was a couple of times. Just one slightly higher there. No, not even there. Just here. This candle and this candle got up to the price. Didn't really. This one just barely exceeded the price. So My timing wasn't that great, but I'm happy with my holdings now. I feel like I have a more significant holding. I have more than what I consider just a, a base amount of contracts. This is a number that I can, if the market does move higher, that I can leg out of. And five micro emini NASDAQ contracts. Now these micro emini contracts are a tenth of the size of a regular contract. So, so they're not quite as devastating, not nearly as devastating to your account when the market tanks. One micro emini NASDAQ future is about the equivalent of 80 QQQs, 80 shares of the QQQs. So 5 contracts would be about the equivalent of having 400 shares of the Qs. So you can kind of look at it that way. So now I have a little bit to trade with. Just hopefully we don't go into a endless descent as we have in the past. Hopefully we'll have days where we're up, days where we're down. Hopefully more up days than down. Hopefully the magnitude of the up days will be greater than the magnitude of the down days. But, it's all hope. I gotta just see what happens. I don't plan to do anything drastic tonight. It looks like there's still some pressure on the stocks. I was hoping we'd get a reversal. If we get a strong reversal during the night, there's a possibility that I could shed one of these contracts, but that would only be if we really reversed and, skyrocketed up to where we were back in these days. So for now, I'm comfortable with my holdings. I could lose a considerable amount of money. I lost a considerable amount of money today. My account has dropped to 42,788. I was up to 44,500. So that's nearly a $2,000 drop. But I have more contracts and a lot more potential for making money on the upside if this market turns around. We've been in a bull market. Hopefully that will continue. If not, well, I'll try to ride it out. I have to throw some more cash into my account. My margin right now is 740. That's not too bad. You'd consider a $40,000 account. So hopefully I can weather this out. Hopefully we'll see some up days this week. Well, if anything interesting happens tonight, I'll give an update. Otherwise, I'll probably just hold the current holdings that I have and see what happens on Wednesday. Thank you.